Welcome to NECO 2025 Chemistry Practical. Theta value by calculation. How to get our theta value through calculation. And through the specimen sent this year, 3 reagents were given, and we have nitric acid or hydrogen triazonitrate, we have sodium triazocarbonate, we have sodium triazonitrate. Now, if you look at these 3 reagents, this one cannot react with this one. So it's a neutral salt. It's a neutral salt. So in our equation, we will not consider this one because it's the product of this one. So the first thing to do is to balance your equation. So you balance your equation. We have NO3 plus this base. We have sodium triazocarbonate, and this will give us, since that we have carbonate here, you have carbon dioxide here plus H2O, which is water, and plus sodium triazonitrate. You look at it very well, you can see that the equation is not yet balanced because we have 2 hydrogen and we have only 1 here. We are going to add 2 here, and you can see that we have 2 sodium here, we have 2 sodium here, we have sodium. We add it. Now go and check whether the equation is balanced. 2 hydrogen here, 2 hydrogen here, we have 2 triazonitrate here, we have 2 nitrogenases here, we have 2 sodium here, we have 2 sodium, 1 carbon, and how many oxygen? We have 3 oxygen, 1, 2, 3, remaining 3 oxygen. So this equation is 1, and the ratio is ratio of acid to base is 2:1. Now to calculate the concentration of acid now. Firstly, we are going to calculate the concentration of acid before we can know the theta value. So concentration of acid stands for A, which is equal to volume in dm per dm cube multiplied by molarity of the acid, molarity of triazonitric acid. Now, what is the volume? You can see the question, it was given by what? By centimeter cube. Firstly, you are going to convert this one to dm cube. We have 6.3 by dividing by 1000. So what is the molarity of this? To find the molarity of this one, now we are going to find the molarity. So molarity is equal to purity, percentage impurity multiplied by density. So everything over molar mass. And if you could look at it, percentage purity of triazonitrate is 68%. So 68% over 100 multiplied by the density is 1.42 times in gram per liter. To convert it to, we are going to multiply it by 1000, and everything is equal to 63, which is the molar mass for nitric acid. If you use your calculator very well, you can see you arrive to 15.32. So that is our molarity. So everything now is equal times 15.32. The next thing now, you are going to calculate everything, and you use your calculator, you get 0.09637 mole. So that is our concentration of this. Now to get the concentration of B now, concentration of base now, we have mass. The reagent was given by mass over what? Over molar mass. And CB now is equal to our mass is 5.5 over, what is the molar mass of the sodium? Sodium is 23. Sodium 23 times 2 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. So this one is 3. 16 times 3. And this one is 46 plus 12 plus 48. You count everything together. 46, that is 94 plus that is 106 divided by 106, and this will give us 5.5 divided by this, it will give us 0.051 per mole. Now that's now to calculate the volume. Now we are going to use our general formula. Use the formula. We have CAVA over CBVB. So N is equal to NA over NB. Now to make V the subject of formula, because it's the one that we are V is, so VA now is equal to CBVB NA over what? Over CANB. Now our VA now is equal to 0.0519 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 2 and everything over 0.9639 multiplied by 1. So what are you going to get now? We are going to get our VA with our calculation. We are going to get 26.80, so centimeter cube. So that's our theta value for this year NECO 2025-2020 NECO July 2025. So thank you, and help us to share. Thank you.